Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send money from USA to India through Google Pay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to use a platform that will allow us to send the money through Google Pay. In this case we have one famous option called Western Union. Western Union will have this option available. So we need to find in Google Western Union and click the first result that appears right here. So we need to click send money once we have this page loaded, and then in this page we need to set the country. In this case we see Argentina because it starts from the first letter A. So we need to set India right here. You just need to click the name right here and then select India. Once we have selected this country, we need to set the amount to send. So in this area we can set the amount to send, and over here we can see how much we receive the person in India. So if we want to send this amount via or through the Google Pay, you just need in this area called how would you like to pay, you just need click Google Pay to set this payment. It's really easy to do, so it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.